Equipment breakdowns happen. Best case scenario, you have replacement parts on hand and will be up and running without much delay. Worst case, needed parts aren't in stock or expert resources aren't available to fix the problem. In either case, it's best to minimize the occurrence of these situations. Making it as simple as possible. That is our approach to managing maintenance predictively with TrakSYS as an integral part of digitizing manufacturing operations. TrakSYS efficiently manages your equipment maintenance schedules, availability of spare parts, and assignment of labor resources, enabling your factory to resolve breakdowns quickly. TrakSYS utilizes data and analytics from your equipment to better predict and prevent issues before they become costly equipment breakdowns. TrakSYS manages preventative maintenance schedules via condition monitoring based on equipment runtime, performance, and quality of production. TrakSYS automatically notifies the designated personnel when a machine requires attention, based on predicted behavior or scheduled maintenance. Production operators can also initiate maintenance requests manually, based on their observations. When submitting maintenance requests, operators are provided downtime trends, frequencies, and machine conditions like vibration and temperature to better prioritize corrective actions. The KPI-based approach provides insight into clearly understanding the problem areas to devise effective strategies for digitized maintenance management. At its core, TrakSYS functions as a unified data hub, making scheduling activities seamless. Maintenance planners can cross-reference maintenance requests, production schedules that show equipment availability, current parts inventory, and labor schedules. This significantly minimizes the time to respond to maintenance requests. Teams will have a common source for equipment history, corrective actions, observations, manuals, drawings, and SOPs. All that information is available from any device, anytime, anywhere. Easy access to pertinent information means shorter response and resolution cycles and a quicker return to where your production needs to be, up and running. The intuitive TrakSYS maintenance dashboards allow you to monitor maintenance-related KPIs, work order statuses, equipment performance, operator logs, response and wrench times, as well as what percentage of time is being spent on reactive versus preventative and predictive work. TrakSYS will help you establish a highly effective strategy to measurably improve your overall equipment performance and profitability. TrakSYS, empowering your digital transformation.